this is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Woo woo! Welcome to another plan with me, y'all. We're going to be working on the 20th through the 26th this week.
Yes.
But Drea has some intros for you guys to see, so hold on.
I have new releases.
New releases.
Yeah, okay, let's get in the camera, Drea. Okay, so, wow, this is so weird. Sorry guys, this is gonna be awkward. Clearly I don't know how to use the camera.
You want me to do it?
Yes. Okay, first up is the first 3 sheets are the Dream Plushies kit.
This is a new kit.
Yes. Called Dream Plushies.
Dream Plushies, aren't they adorable?
And this is the personal size kit. And then the
personal size. And then
the next one is a Hobonichi version of the Dream. It's not. Of the Dream Plushies kit. That's the Hobonichi version, and it's super cute.
This goes in the Hobonichi planner, huh?
Yes.
Okay. This is so cute.
Thank you.
I love the Dream Plush.
And then we have these are Kawaii washing machines. And then this is Netflix Andrea. That was Netflix Andrea since the dog barked. He's so bad. And this is Weather Andrea, and there's different. We have rain, snow, stormy, sunny, and rainbow, and
cloudy.
Cloudy, yes, thank you. All in one sheet.
So cute.
So those are the new releases. No, you already showed those. That was the Kawaii washing machine. Yeah.
Awesome, new releases.
And then these are also new releases. Yes. But these are the different customs. So those are custom Dana's, and they're me holding an Etsy sign because I sell on Etsy. So that's what custom Dana can look like if, that's
your hair, your glasses, your makeup, whatever it is that you do.
Yeah, your outfits.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. And then obviously you have the option of anything you can hold. You can be in a neat pose, you can have a vacuum, you can have whatever that you usually do.
Awesome.
So that's the customization for Dana. The next one is customized Fae, and that's me grocery shopping. That's me as a fairy, and I love it. And you can do customized wing color and stuff like that, like I did teal for me.
Awesome.
Then this
You're
is
really down to the details.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Then this is custom Bibbles, and that's me in the laundry machine instead of Bibbles. You can tell by the purple shirt and bow. So, because I did lots of laundry. And then this is me as Andrea, haha, with Happy Mail. That's custom Andrea. So you can customize any of the characters.
That's awesome.
To as close to detail as possible for you.
That's awesome. I love that.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get to work.
Yes.
I'm going to use the new release.
Dream Plushies. Oh.
Did I put them somewhere?
Yeah, we put them over here somewhere.
Alright. Dream Plushies. I love this. This is so cute.
Thank you.
Alright, let's get... Bless you, little puppy. Some of that erased there. I can cover it with a sticker. I have my appointments written down. But I'm definitely going to go with this half moon on top.
Forgive the noisy dog in the background. He's stretching. Or scratching.
I love that.
Cute.
And I love this cloud with the pretty raindrops.
Yeah.
Here you go. And then the
Sun.
There we go. Then I need some half boxes for those areas as well. Go.
Cute.
And a blue one.
That's cute.
Isn't that adorable?
I like how the half boxes elongate the other boxes.
Yeah, me too.
And it gives you writing room.
It does. That is Sunday morning, y'all. Sunday morning.
And everybody and their mom is out.
Yeah, 'cause graduation weekend.
Yes.
Everybody's graduating.
My boyfriend's niece had her graduation yesterday, and we're really proud.
Mm,
It was cool.
that's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I have my Monday through Saturday, Monday through Sunday. I don't know why I always skip Sunday. Silly me.
Yes.
I love the colors on this. Now, what's the color scheme? What is it? Like baby blue, baby pink.
I guess it's pastels. I never really thought about it.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Thanks.
I like the pastels.
I do too. Pastel color schemes are my favorite.
Hmm. So this is this week's new release.
Yes. There will be a new kit each week.
Do you still have any coupons?
I still have the Mother 10 coupon code until May 30th.
Nice.
So that's 10% off your entire purchase.
Order, yeah.
And then if you order $10 or more of stuff, then you get free domestic shipping in the United States.
All right. Free ship. I love free ship.
Yeah.
Oh, brother. Here go the puppies barking. They always have something to say.
Yep.
I hope everybody's having a great Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have a graduate in your house, congratulations.
Congrats, grads.
I think that's awesome.
Starting a new chapter in life.
Yeah.
It's an exciting one.
Isn't it though?
Yeah.
2, 3. I'm going to try and use these as little decorations on the top.
Like lace.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of looks like lace.
That boy got some issues this morning.
Yes, he does.
I like that.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Okay. It's my Hello Weekend.
Which you've never used.
Mm-mm.
Okay, cool. She's using it now.
Here. Hello Weekend.
Cute.
All right. Now, Drea has also released has a new release, which are sticker books.
Mystery sticker book.
Mystery sticker books. This is the one that I got, so it won't look just like this if you get one.
The only thing that will look like that, go back to the front, is the sticker on the front, and then the Creative Faery logo.
Right. You'll have the fairy and then the wording.
Yes.
But the paper might be different.
And the sizing will be different.
And the color of the coil might be different too.
Yeah.
But this is my book. And you get 21 sheets.
20.
I'm sorry, you get 20 sheets in your book, which is really cool. We do have a payday, so I'm going to use Bibbles. And it's on the 22nd. There we go. She's Miss Moneybags. I like her.
Yep.
And then we have those 2 appointments.
Mm-hmm.
But before I put down appointments, I'm going to go ahead and put down appointments. So Monday, we have mom appointment.
Well, mine's at 10. Hers isn't until the afternoon.
And then Dre. Okay, got those two down.
And
Then we have half day for Tim.
because that's the last day of school and he is a school bus driver, so he's excited. He gets a month off. It's a well-deserved vacation.
Yeah, really. A month off. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That my pencil or yours?
That's yours.
Okay.
Because it still has an eraser.
Oh.
All mine are gone.
Anyway, the books are
$20 or $19.99.
$19.99, and you get 20 sheets.
20 sheets picked by me, so you won't know what you're getting. But it's going to be it's going to be a variety of the characters that I've made. Bibbles, Dana, Andrea, and Faye.
Yeah, they're all from her shop.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I said that I've made.
Okay. I'm looking. Okay, dishes. I just did them today.
Mm-hmm.
So, Tuesday.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday.
I love this little book because it keeps all my stickers in one place. And it's cute.
Yes. Saturday.
Okay. Excuse me. Dinner. I'm going to use dinner bibbles.
That one's up in the air.
I'm going to try to cook something today. So that means I'll cook them Tuesday. Same days.
Mm-hmm. Dish and dinner duty. Tuesday, Thursday.
There. I love my little Bibbles. She's so cute. She's so cute. I love the Faye and Andrea and Dana as well. I just think that my favorite is
Bibbles.
Bibbles and Andrea.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do Facebook. I'm using Facebook Dana. There we go. And I don't think we're shopping,
No.
just
No,
paying bills.
Yeah.
Bill pay. All right. This is payday.
And trash day.
We have trash day. So cute.
You could put the appointment one on the Monday.
Have, yeah. I also have Happy Meal coming in Tuesday. And
We have
then-
Happy Meal coming in today and tomorrow.
I know, isn't that weird?
Yeah. It's a
Sunday. Appointments.
Cute.
Yeah. And then time to plan. You can also upload. There. I love it.
Busy week. Or it looks busy.
Yeah, always looks busy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This cute. I like how I use the check boxes for that.
Yeah, that's cute.
Little simple ideas. Well, that's our week, guys. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.